Every detail matters in production. Strict craftsmanship, reliable quality. Dedication from Forever Mechanical team. We focus on every equipment we build. Here is our dual-chamber forging furnace from Forever Mechanical. This equipment has been serving our customer for 7 whole years. We recently conducted an on-site customer return visit. After long-term continuous operation, the furnace still rests smoothly and maintains excellent working condition. Premium quality stands the test of long-term industrial use. Forever Mechanical insists on stable and durable forging heating equipment.